According to Hayes, the role of leadership in change management is clearly explained as he said in practical management helps to retain the existing organization with doing things right, and leadership promotes change by doing the right things. Also, it empowers the change process in an organization. Therefore, it is clear that leadership is an essential factor of success in a changing business environment.
Hi, I'm Josemon Varghese. I worked in Infosys Limited, an IT MNC, which provides business consulting, information technology, and outsourcing services. From Hopkins' words, it is clear that in order to successfully manage technical and innovative organizational change, adaptive leadership is required, which is considered to be the primary factor to deal with those changes. As an MBA student, based on my leadership and change management module, I am discussing on the change process happened in Infosys.
One of the extreme challenges faced by Infosys, which was the reduced stakeholder trust due to lack of confidence skills and absence of knowledge management practice among employees. Moreover, when the COVID-19 impacted badly on global IT sectors, which loosened up the control of organization over employees, the company identified after effects of such situation, which leads to bad reputation and less productivity. This has been solved by the current CEO of Infosys, Salil Parekh, which is achieved by make use of suitable leadership approaches and capabilities as well as appropriate change models. The leadership approaches adopted by Infosys are skills leadership approach and transformation leadership approach. As stated by Nothouse, skills approach focuses on the skills, knowledge and abilities of leaders through learning and experiences. Here, cards highlighted three abilities of a leader, which are technical, human and conceptual skills. In skills approach, leadership available to everyone gives its strength, but the descriptive nature of it weakens the entire approach. As a result of applying this approach in Infosys, the technical skills are exhibited by introducing new tools like hyper collaboration tool and use of platforms like Persona Live engineering dashboards, which helps to measure team productivity and production quality as well as monitoring performance. Apply human skills on the employees by motivating them with help of knowledge management system introduced in the company, which identifies knowledge loss area among employees and regain it with knowledge sharing platforms. Moreover, according to the conceptual skill by leader, a new method called enterprise agility system has been introduced, which enhances the decision making and problem solving skills among employees based on the feedback from stakeholders. According to Hall, transformation leadership approach is the unique ability of a leader to create change in every individual by recognizing individual differences and sensibly inspires them through motivation, satisfying their needs and valuing them. Thus, it achieves the organizational success and employee satisfaction. The four major factors are idealized influence makes the managers to a role model to their associate. Inspirational motivation, which motivates associates into more organizational goal-oriented in nature. Intellectual stimulation boosts innovation and creativity of associates through challenging their normal beliefs. Finally, individual consideration, which makes managers as coaches or advisors. The strength side is the violation of change potential, but its wide range of characteristics weakens the approach. When Salil Parekh, the CEO of Infosys, initiated a transformation leadership approach, it empowered the employees and developed a vision for the future. By make use of agile development process in company, which motivates the employees to work according to the requirement of client, as well as it reduced the development cost by 25%. Besides, the after effect of COVID-19 pandemic has been solved by this transformational process, which accelerated the delivery of process by automation solution. Also, this made company to gain higher profit. By analyzing the two leadership approaches along with its capabilities, the company gained its strength through reflecting the values, principles, and goal as a leader, team, and organization. As a leader, one could participate in the accelerated leadership programs for enhancing their potential and take on feedback on the basis of series of assessment. Consequently, the leader can achieve the skills to work on different technologies through learning and experience. Also, it helps to attain the unique ability to decide on new transforming strategies such as agile methodology as well as quick decision-making skills to overcome the COVID-19 issue. As a team, the employees achieve the skills from their managers by the effective use of knowledge management system and learning platform with the company. It enhances the problem-solving abilities also. As an organization, Infosys promote values and principles by providing best solution with efficient and best-in-class employees and accomplish their goals by satisfying the clients, employees, and society with right care, sincerity, and consideration. The result shows in statistics that give details on Infosys revenue reaches to $13.5 billion in 2020.
Following the new leadership approaches, the major challenges faced are the mindset with the followers or employees to accept it. This is due to the individual perception that acknowledge this approach both positively and negatively. This comes with the technical complexities due to the introduction of new technologies and an environment where the interdependency with different applications and services are concerned with this.
Therefore, in order to effectively achieve the company's goal, a change plan was developed which identifies the state of company, the risk facing by the company, planning it through analyze the situation and resistance from employees on change, then evaluation on process and funding, finally communicates on the execution of change. According to Hussein, it is a crucial factor for organization in growing a highly competitive business environment for efficiently modify their strategies, process and structures. The Levin's change model consists of 3 steps. The unfreezing stage, which creates awareness to employees about the current situation and necessities of new change. Changing stage provides learning of new process and methodologies through planned execution. In freezing stage, change comes permanent by providing positive rewards and feedbacks for individualized effort to follow it again. In Infosys, they applied Levin's management model in order to show the appropriate leadership strategy in the company. In unfreezing stage, they identify the company facing a bad reputation, which later affect the productivity. As a result, they come up with new policy called Agile methodology and started promoting its necessities among employees. In changing stage, the Agile process was implemented. Moreover, the entire organizational process and working culture of employees has been changed, introduced in new technologies and platforms which initially made some adaptation difficulties in employees. But according to Statista report, the revenue in Infosys boosted to 12.78 US billion in 2020. Such positive impacts made company and employees to accept the new changes and learn new technology. In refreezing stage, Infosys applied the Agile methodology in all their project activities and sustained the changes which has been implemented. Also, company provides rewards and positive feedbacks, bonus dividends to employees' performance and skills. This attracts more learn new skills on agility and try to showcase their maximum effort on the new change. Then comes the Carter's 8-step model for the change management. According to Carter, the first 3 steps provide a climate for the change by making the change into compelling case, embedded the change with a team and develop a vision. From 4 to 6, engage the change in organization through communicating the vision to followers by removing obstacles and generate short-term success. Last 2 stage focuses on the implementing and sustain of change by building the change permanently and another the change by embedding it into company's procedures and operation. Infosys applied Carter's change management model in order to overcome the COVID-19 pandemic issues affected the company operation. First 3 steps create a climate for change by create an urgency on new method called work from home culture that requires shipping equipments to employee homes, provide connectivity which has been done by forming a core response team of experts. Also, the Infosys view of ensure business continuity with 100% job security and employee safety assurance came into existence. Step 4 to 6 comprises of engaging and enabling the organization in the change. Initially, the company bring up with additional focus to communication to ensure business continuity, empowered the employees with counseling, service and motivations. Moreover, published quarterly success of companies in overall productivity. The final step are implementing and sustaining for change, which is done by providing facilities to employees by offer additional internet and healthcare charges to employees. Also enable the participation of them by daily calls and continuous evaluation programs such as flex learning platforms. Also give bonuses and increments on quarterly basis according to the profit gained by the company. Hence, as per Statista result, Infosys brand value reached over $8 billion in 2021 and became the 3rd most valued brand in country. Hence, the company overcome its challenges and achieved a good reputation and productivity even though the COVID-19 pandemic affected the IT sector. Recommendation I can propose to company for future change processes are: in a company like Infosys, while adopting a new change, organize some campaigns among employees to make understand the immediate requirements of change and how it is beneficial for company as well as growth of employees. Provide enough mentoring and knowledge for employees while introducing a technology platform related to the change. Arrange workshops and talks on technologies prior to the implementation. Follow a democratic leadership approach to accept the suggestion for team members through debates and group discussions while initiating a change.
According to Hall, the effective leadership plays an important role among managers for the efficient management and success of the organization. As we discussed on different leadership approaches, it helps to enhance the ability of employees in each organization. It is clearly evident in case of Infosys by adapting new technologies and its applications. The effective leadership approach along with the appropriate change management processes under the guidance of company CEO Salil Parekh paves Infosys the way towards success. Therefore, while managing the changes, we should give more importance to the employees as well as stakeholders. This will help to achieve the organizational goals successfully. Thank you.